Bring it on forward, hold it right there. Stage clear for bay 2.
Got you covered, sending him through now.
Copy that, weighbridge is clear.
This batch meets the staple length requirements.
Perfect, log it into the system.
This massive facility handles tons of raw cotton daily. Each bundle is carefully organized for processing.
Inside the modern gin, separation is swift. Metal spikes grab the fiber, pulling it clean from the seeds. Pure cotton. The clean fibers enter the massive hydraulic press. Enormous pressure is applied to form dense blocks. This complete
Bale number 42 is cleared for staging.
Moving line 2 to the spinning floor.
Station 20 is now online.
Spindle 42 is running perfectly. Initiating consistency check on latest batch. Strength parameters within tolerance.
Precise alignment is key. Hundreds of threads are arranged
We monitor the pH, sure perfect brightness. Let's get these new cotton rolls on rack 4. Make sure they are perfectly aligned.
Check the thread count on this batch. It looks perfect. Make sure these collars are lined up perfectly. This batch looks excellent.
From the vast fields to the finished clothes on our backs, this vast global network never sleeps, weaving together the fabric of our daily lives.